guys, and I will today for the people who doesn't know how to fly with the FireWorks and the Elytra in Minecraft, I will show you how to. And some videos, when they try to show you how to fly with Elytra, it's like you guys don't get it. I don't know, but this time I will show you how to. Okay, that was weird. So just get Elytra and get any FireWorks, but let it be like like these, not these. I don't know if those things works. These things too, but yeah, just use this one. So you're up in the air. If you want to do in survival, you just get a block of gold or any type of block. So and then you just wanna stay like about. You wanna have about like 20 blocks up, and then you wanna that, and then you press hold like that. Like you press. Oh, what the? Okay, I found a village. Like you have to press. You have to hold. You have to hold like anywhere on the. You have to hold on the screen. You know. It's pretty easy. Yeah, it's just like that. And so I found this village, and it's a pretty big village, I would say, because it has like a lot of houses, a lot of farms. Yeah, it has like two, like one right there and one right there. Yeah. So basically, the Elytra, that's how you fly. You fly, and then you hold it. You hold it on the screen for a couple seconds, few seconds, like 1 second. There you go. You see, and then it sends you off flying. I'm gonna try to land in this cave right here. Let's see. Yep, let's go. Yep. Ow. Okay. That would hurt. Okay, so I think this is the end of the video. My first video actually. I will create more Minecraft videos tomorrow, January 3, 2020. I gotta go to sleep. And sorry for the lag. And yeah, that's how you fly in Elytra. If you guys don't get it, just press on the screen like that. Said it several times. Yeah. From here. There you go. If you're on survival, and do not, like, if you're offline, do not go down like that, because you will just hit the ground hard. You will die. I think most people know that. And that's how you fly with FireWorks and Elytra. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll end the video. By the way, shout out to the screen recorder video. I don't know. It's cool. Bye guys.